Yeah, they're fighting. They're ganking. There's another one. Skunk wars.
Oh, maybe he is trying to fuck it. Maybe they're mating.
Yeah. Oh no, he's biting the shit out of her, but maybe he's trying to get a piece.
You know, that's the way squirrels do. They have squirrels, they bite the female to hold her down.
But he's trying to mate her.
Yeah, it looks like he is.
Squirrels will bite. That's why the female squirrels get scars all over their back and shit. Because that's what the squirrels do. So these guys probably do the same shit.
Crazy. Come outside.
Oh
yeah, he's smashing.
Yeah, he's trying to
There's no